Thursday evening, startled from the lull by fireworks, pots and pans, flesh on flesh, cries of gratitude. A vacuum in the silence that follows. Hands wiping down railings, hands spraying clouds of lemon, hands scrubbing, hands stiffening, hands aching with care. Little rainbows of hope in the net-curtained windows, the brilliant yellow arc of paint falling like the cautions you have given us so often. You need more funding, more staff, more training, more time. Cautions battered aside, neglected, fading like the foot of a rainbow in a cloud. The simplest things, paper towels, masks, gloves, absent, like your pay increase, like the promise of safety. And yet, despite the incompetence, the pain, the anger, the danger, the fear, you decide to be the best of us. Doctors, nurses, cleaners, carers. To you we owe our safety, our lives. Our thanks can never be enough, should never be enough. Beyond the applause, here's a true show of appreciation. Fair pay and safety, an end to underfunding, a vow to never privatise, never compromise the cause to which you have dedicated yourselves, our fragile, precious lives.